Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share my top 5 picks for the best oxidation removers for RV on Amazon. Over time, your motorhome will show signs of oxidation. Driving down roads, salts, and the elements can begin wreaking havoc on your RV. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Megears M49 MG Fiberglass Restoration System. Motorhome owners who want to remove oxidation from their RV roofs can trust Megears M49 system to deliver amazing results. This is a complete system that already comes with a high-quality polish and premium wax to get your RV looking brand new. It's useful to note that this product can work on gel coats or fiberglass surfaces. It is important to distinguish a 3-piece kit from a 3-in-1 product. It comes with 3 16-ounce bottles of an oxidation remover, a polish, and a wax. A 3-in-1 or an all-in-one product often contains the active ingredients of these products in just one container. What we like about it? It comes with a polish and wax as a complete system. Ideal for surfaces that have either a gel coat or fiberglass. Provides efficient removal of oxidation thanks to its 3-piece kit. Leaves a mirror finish on surfaces. What we don't like about it? It can be tedious to apply. A bit expensive. Number 2. Megears M49 RV Oxidation Remover. The Megears M49 is an effective marine RV heavy-duty oxidation remover that not only works to remove nasty signs of oxidation on your RV, but it is also excellent in restoring the showroom shine of your vehicle as well as marine vessels. Take note that the M49 has a moderate-duty formulation. This is despite the inclusion of the term heavy-duty on the label. The special formula makes it the perfect choice for anyone who is having issues with mild to moderate oxidation on their recreational vehicles. What we like about it? Improves the shine and color of RVs. Special formulation for moderate oxidation. It can be applied on gel coats, high-tech paint, and fiberglass surfaces. Can be applied by an orbital buffer or by hand. What we don't like about it? Not for vinyl, cloth, or rubber surfaces. Can irritate if not used properly. Number 3. 3M 36102 Perfect Gelcoat Compound. If you have issues proceeding with your RV gelcoat restoration project, I recommend considering the Perfect Gelcoat Heavy Cutting Compound by 3M. This is an essential component of a 3-part system that ensures you get the best possible results for your RV. The most exciting attribute of the Perfect Gelcoat is its ability to remove P800 scratches. Not only that, but this oxidation remover can also smoothen excellent scratches. It should allow you to take full advantage of the polish and wax's high gloss finish that you will apply. What we like about it? Can remove P800 scratches and hard stains. Quickly prepares surfaces for polishing and waxing. Removes heavy oxidation from fiberglass and gel coat surfaces. Perfect for marine, industrial, and RV applications. What we don't like about it? Some people may find the product a bit expensive. Not a complete system. Number 4. Megears M771 Heavy Oxidation Scrub. Automotive detailers always use Megears products for a variety of applications. While the Megears formulated for marine applications, it should also work as a trustworthy compound for heavy oxidation. The heavy cutting formulation makes it easy to remove heavy oxidation. However, I would like to point out that this product is not a quick fix. It is not the kind of all-in-one solution that you apply to your RV once and you are done. It only prepares the gel coat surface to apply a suitable polish, sealant, and wax. What we like about it? Ideal for marine and RV with gel coat surfaces. Removes heavy oxidation on gel coat and fiberglass surfaces. Features biodegradable detergents for eco-friendliness. A heavy cutting formulation for improved effectiveness. Easy to apply by hand. What we don't like about it? Not a complete fix, only prepares the base. Requires plenty of elbow grease. Number 5. 3M 09006 Marine Restorer and Wax. This marine restorer and wax is nothing like a random marine oxidation remover you have seen on the market. Its 2-in-1 convenient formulation makes it a good choice among boat and motorhome owners who want a convenient and quick fix to their vessel's oxidation problems. What we like about it: applicable on painted, fiberglass, and gel coat surfaces. Provides a high gloss and brilliant finish on surfaces. Effective in removing heavy oxidation. Comes with anti-UV treatment. What we don't like about it: not for deep scratches. Effects do not last long enough. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.